This is the Cardiac Science G5. It's a very powerful AED that came out about 5-6 years ago. It's known for two things. One, it has CPR feedback, which is a wonderful feature, but also it has bilingual. It can change the language on the fly with just a press of a button and can go from English to Spanish. Replacing the battery on the G5 is very easy. You just take the battery itself, and it's important to note that the date that's stamped on the battery is not the expiration date. The expiration date is simply the day that you put it in to the AED plus 4 years. It's also good to make sure that you place on the battery itself using either a Sharpie to write the date down of when it needs to be replaced, or you can use the FC Safety Shield to track your AED's expiration dates, but also it can monitor your ongoing inspections on a monthly basis. To insert the battery, just turn it around, place the AED with the power connector up, and this rounded side down, place it in the AED until you hear a snap. Now, once you've placed the battery in the AED, it takes a few seconds, but after a few seconds, this green Rescue Ready monitor will come on. Then you know it's ready for use and can be deployed inside the AED cabinet.